Finding your signature makeup style is easier than you think. Hey beauties, it's your resident Black Beauty Rep here, Idara. Welcome to Black Beauty Rep TV, the ultimate destination for beauty tips, tricks, and Black beauty inspiration. If you're not part of the BB Rep family yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our incredible content. We are on a journey of self-expression in this video, discovering the magic that lies within makeup and personal style. Makeup isn't just about enhancing our features, it's a form of artistry that allows us to express our individuality. Our goal in this video is to help you find that signature look that speaks volumes about who you are. We are going to delve into 5 distinctive looks, each with its unique essence. We'll explore the natural look for those who love subtlety, the glam look for the divas who love to dazzle, the classic look for the timeless beauty enthusiasts, the bold look for the fearless and audacious, and finally, the trendy look for the fashion-forward maven. So buckle up and get ready to cruise through this exciting journey of self-discovery and creativity. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of individuality, style, and beauty. Our first stop on this beauty journey is the natural look, a favorite for its simplicity and elegance. The natural look is all about enhancing your inherent beauty, not masking or altering it. It's about working with what you have and allowing your natural features to shine through. The natural look is characterized by the use of neutral tones and minimalistic makeup. It's about finding the balance, not overdoing it. This look is perfect for your everyday routine. Whether you're headed to work, running errands, or simply lounging at home, it's a simple yet effective way to look put together without spending hours in front of the mirror. Now let's talk about the makeup products and tools that are essential in achieving this look. The first step to the natural look is a good base. A light to medium coverage foundation or a tinted moisturizer is your best friend here. It helps even out your skin tone without giving you a cakey finish. Next, a good concealer to cover any blemishes or under eye circles. Remember, the key is to blend, blend, blend. For your eyes, opt for neutral eyeshadows. Think soft browns, beiges, and creams. A thin line of eyeliner followed by a coat or two of mascara can add definition without going overboard. For your cheeks, a touch of blush in a natural hue can give you a healthy glow. And of course, finish off with a swipe of lip balm or a nude lipstick to keep your lips moisturized and looking fresh. As for tools, a good set of brushes is a must. They help you apply and blend your makeup seamlessly. A beauty sponge is also a great tool for blending your foundation and concealer to achieve that natural, flawless finish. Remember, the natural look is about embracing and enhancing your inherent beauty. It's not about hiding or changing your features, but rather highlighting them. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin and letting your natural beauty shine through. So go ahead, give the natural look a try. Embrace your natural beauty with a minimalistic yet stunning look. Moving on to a more dramatic style, we encounter the glam look. This makeup style is all about making a statement, turning heads, and leaving a lingering impression. It's the perfect look for those special occasions where you want to feel like a superstar. The glam look is characterized by its bold colors and shimmer. It's about playing up your features and not being afraid to go a little over the top. Think red carpet, think glitz, think glamour. It's all about channeling your inner diva and letting her shine. Now, to achieve this look, you're going to need the right tools and products. Let's start with the eyes. For the glam look, you want to opt for eyeshadows with a high pigment load. This will give you the intense color payoff that this look demands. Don't shy away from metallics, shimmers, or even glitter. These textures will add an extra dimension to your look and make your eyes pop. For your base, a full coverage foundation is your best friend. This will create a flawless canvas for the rest of your makeup. Remember to choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. The glam look is all about perfection and precision. Moving on to the lips, bold is the name of the game. A vibrant red or a deep plum can work wonders, but feel free to experiment and find the shade that makes you feel most glamorous. Let's not forget the tools. A good set of makeup brushes can make all the difference in achieving a polished glam look. A fluffy blending brush for your eyeshadow, a flat brush for your foundation, and a precise brush for your lipstick are all essentials. And of course, no glam look would be complete without a set of dramatic false lashes. This will elevate your look to new heights and give you that star quality. So there you have it. The glam look is all about confidence and drama. It's about embracing your inner star and letting her shine out for the world to see. It's about feeling fabulous, looking fabulous, and being fabulous. So why not give it a try? Shine bright and make a statement with a glamorous look. Next, we explore the timeless elegance of the classic look. Like a finely tuned melody, the classic look never goes out of style. This look is all about celebrating the iconic staples of makeup that have stood the test of time. Think of the undeniable allure of Rihanna's red lips or Nicki Minaj's winged eyeliner. These elements come together to create a look that is both sophisticated and timeless. One of the key features of the classic look is the use of red lipstick. The shade of red may vary from person to person, but the impact remains the same. It's bold, it's confident, and it's undeniably classic. When selecting a red lipstick, consider your skin tone and the undertones of the lipstick. A red with cool undertones like a ruby red can be quite flattering for most skin tones. For a more dramatic effect, you might opt for a deeper, more intense shade like burgundy. The second key feature of the classic look is the winged eyeliner. This is where precision and practice come in handy. A good quality eyeliner with a fine tip can make the application process much easier. Start by drawing a thin line along your lash line, gradually thickening it as you reach the outer corner of your eye. Then angle your eyeliner upwards towards the end of your eyebrow to create the wing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. The classic look is all about balance, so you will want to keep the rest of your makeup relatively simple. A touch of blush on the apples of your cheeks and a light application of mascara should do the trick. This allows the focus to remain on your beautifully defined eyes and bold red lips. The classic look goes beyond makeup. It pays homage to the past, celebrates the present, and sets a statement for the future. It's all about embracing your elegance and letting your confidence shine, making you feel as timeless as the look itself. Give classic look a try for some movie star glamour. Daring to be different, we venture into the bold look. Now, this is a look that is not for the faint-hearted. It's all about making a statement and letting your personality shine through. The bold look is characterized by its use of striking colors and unconventional makeup techniques. It's about not being afraid to experiment and take risks, to push boundaries and step out of your comfort zone. It's about expressing yourself in a way that is uniquely you. When it comes to creating the bold look, the first thing you need to consider is your color palette. Bold doesn't necessarily mean bright. It could be a deep, rich burgundy or vibrant electric blue. The key is to choose colors that contrast and stand out against your skin tone, enhancing your features and making them pop. Next, let's talk about techniques. The bold look is all about experimentation. Maybe you want to try a graphic eyeliner look with sharp angular lines that defy the traditional rules of makeup. Or perhaps you want to go for a bold statement lip in a shade that is anything but subtle. As for makeup products, you need ones that pack a punch. Highly pigmented eyeshadows and lipsticks, intense liquid liners, and bold blushes are all part of the bold look arsenal. And let's not forget about tools. A good set of brushes is essential for precise application and blending. But remember, the bold look isn't just about the makeup. It's about the attitude. It's about having the confidence to stand out, to be different, and to express yourself in a way that is true to who you are. So don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, push the boundaries, and most importantly, have fun with it. Because at the end of the day, makeup is a form of self-expression, and there's nothing more empowering than being able to express yourself exactly how you want. Stand out from the crowd with an audacious look, and remember, don't just wear the bold look, own it. Finally, we arrive at the trendy look where fashion meets makeup. This style is all about embracing the latest trends and making them your own. It's for those who love to experiment, push boundaries, and bring runway-inspired beauty into everyday life. Being trendy means being adventurous, daring, and unafraid to play with bold colors, innovative techniques, and fresh products. Trendy is similar to bold because you have to be confident to rock certain trends, especially in high fashion and runway beauty. Edginess is key. Imagine bleached brows for a futuristic feel, leopard print inspired eye makeup for a fierce statement, fox freckles for a playful touch, and graphic liners that push the boundaries of creativity. The trendy look is constantly evolving, shifting with each season's hottest styles and runway inspirations. If you love staying in vogue and keeping up with the latest beauty craze, this just might be your signature style. Think bold eyeshadow palettes, graphic liners, liquid blush, and vibrant lip colors to create striking editorial looks. Don't forget the tools. A good set of brushes is essential to blend your makeup seamlessly and to apply it with precision. Stay on top of the latest trend with these fashionable looks. And there you have it, 5 distinct looks to help you find your signature makeup style. We've journeyed together through the natural look, which enhances your inherent beauty with minimal effort. We then explore the glam look, the epitome of elegance and sophistication. With the classic look, we revisited timeless beauty trends that never failed to impress. The bold look gave us a chance to step out of our comfort zones and express our individuality. Lastly, the trendy look kept us up to date with the latest in the beauty world. Each of these styles offers a unique way to express yourself and your personality through makeup. So why not experiment? Mix and match, play around, and see what suits you best. Remember, the best look is the one that makes you feel confident and beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Black Beauty Rep fam on this journey of beauty exploration. See you in our next upload. Mwah!